All right, so let's go ahead and put a form on our website now. So if we go to forms, we can create one just by clicking new form. And one thing that really sets ConvertKit apart is their ability to create forms and landing pages within ConvertKit itself. A lot of other ones don't have this feature, and you have to use a third-party tool, something really expensive like Lead Pages, in order to create landing pages or forms. But if you don't have that, that's fine. You can do it with ConvertKit. So let's create a form. And you can choose an inline, a modal where the background kind of is darkened, or a slide in where when people scroll down, it will slide in from the bottom. We're just going to choose an inline, and then you got kind of different ways of customizing your form. So we're just going to choose this pine one right here. And before I customize this, I'm just going to go ahead and import or upload our lead magnet that we already created, because when someone opts in, we want to give them what they requested when they opt in. So you can do that really simply by over here on the right hand column. You can click on the little envelope icon, and here you can either direct them to a URL or a download. We're giving them a download, so we'll choose our file. All right, so we've uploaded the little lead magnet. Now let's customize the image. Let's show them a image of the cover. So here we go, how to decorate a room in less than 10 minutes using items you already have. So we'll just put that in. So then they can put in their first name, their email address, and they can click subscribe, so we can customize what this says. So we can say, and then you're pretty much done. Although you do probably want to customize the email they get, so when they opt in, they're going to be sent an email where they can download the guide, or you can auto confirm new subscribers. I always recommend auto confirm, and then we'll click edit this. This is the email that they're going to be sent. So this is your from email address, and right now I'm just using one of my email addresses for this account. And then you can put in your subject. So important. And you can customize your message. So you can say thanks for signing up. All right, so that is a great place to start, and you can just click this X, it will automatically save, and now we're done. We just want to put this on our site. First, let's name our form. So we'll name it So now let's embed this form. Let's go over to Embed, and we'll copy the HTML. You can use Java or HTML, but I'll just copy this HTML here. And here's a new post we're creating in WordPress. So this is the WordPress editor here. And we can click this plus button to add a block, and we want to add custom HTML, and we just paste it in here. And then we can preview that and see what it would look like. It would look something like this. So here's your text, and then here's the guide where people can opt in. And so let's test it out. I'll put in my name, and I'll put in an email address to see what happens. All right, success. Now check your email. All right, so if we go back to forms, we can see that it works. We're receiving subscribers. If we click on this, we can see reports and see who signed up. And I've actually signed up twice with 2 different emails just to double check it. And as we can see, it's working. So we now have email subscribers, and we have a working form on our website. So thanks for watching. And again, if you want to get ConvertKit for yourself, just go to polaram.com/ConvertKit or click the link in the description below. Otherwise, I'll see you in a future tutorial on ConvertKit where we go into how you can actually go about building your email list. All right, see you in the next video.